My name is Anthony Harris, and I'm an administrator for RenesasRulz.com. In this instructional video, we will be looking into the timer capture for the RDKRX62N using the High Performance Embedded Workshop. Before we get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is hook up the micro USB cable to the proper J-Link module, as seen. Now that everything is connected properly, it is possible for us to load the timer capture demo. To do this, open up High Performance Embedded Workshop. Once it is open, select Create New Project Workspace and hit OK. Make sure the CPU family is the RX family and that the project types is the RDKRX62N. The workspace name you can name whatever you want. I'll call this one Demo, and hit OK. Select Sample Code and hit Next. In the scroll window, scroll all the way down to Timer Capture, select Timer Capture, and hit Finish. With all the files loaded, change the default session to a J-Link session, save it, and then connect the board. Make sure the MCU group is the RX62N and that it's in debugging mode, and hit OK. Next, make sure the operating mode is in single chip mode, and that the input clock is 12 MHz, and hit OK. With the board properly connected, it's possible for you to open up the main timer capture.c file, and then build all. Depending upon the version of demo software you're running, you may run into an error. To fix this error, go to Build, RX Standard Toolchain. In the Link Library tab, change Category to Section. In the second address, modify, and after C, add an L asterisk. Hit OK, and hit OK. Build it all again. Since there were no errors after this build, it's asking if you'd like to upload it to the board. Go ahead and click Yes. And now the program's properly loaded to the board. To get it to run on the board, reset the CPU and press Go. With the program properly loaded to the board, it is possible to test it out for proper functionality. To do this, press and hold switch 1 for any defined length of time. Once you release this switch, the LCD screen will update with an elapsed time. For this particular example, it was 1,533 milliseconds. And this is how you use the High Performance Embedded Workshop to properly implement the timer capture. If you have any further questions, please feel free to visit us at RenesasRulz.com, and be sure to check out these other great links.